forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors. Respect and manners. Yes, nothing wrong with that. They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. Right guys, so come and spend the day with me today. So it's like 8:30 in the morning. I'm actually on my way to Brownstown. Guys, I had no plans to go to Brownstown today. It was not on my list of things to do. However, I am on my way to Brownstown. Now, Outlaw has no idea that I'm coming to Brownstown. Like, he just probably thinks I'm at home. He doesn't know I'm coming to Brownstown. He's in Brownstown already because, as many of you know, he at times brings school kids to school, and the school is located in Brownstown. So he left very early this morning, like 6 o'clock, to go and bring the kids to school. So he has no idea I'm coming up to Brownstown. Now, if you watched our vlog, maybe the last vlog or last couple of vlogs, you would have seen that one of our pigs gave birth to 9 piglets. And we got a call early this morning to say one of our other pigs have given birth to 9 piglets, guys. 9 piglets. Yes, so more additions. So you know Outlaw and his pigs then. As soon as he drops the kids to school, he's going to be making his way straight to the pig pen. Fortunately for him, the pigs are in Brownstown, in the region in Brownstown, and the school is also in Brownstown, so it's not too far. So I was coming on the road anyway to do some bits and pieces. So I thought, you know what, let me just drive up to Brownstown. I've never driven to Brownstown before. This is my first time, but I'm not worried. You know, I'm quite confident on the road. But it's my first time driving to Brownstown. Usually Outlaw is in the driver's seat. And like I said, he has no idea I'm coming. I'm just going to get there and just surprise him. So I'm not sure how surprised he's going to be honest. He may be very surprised, he may not be surprised at all. But like I said, he has no idea. I'm not telling him. So yeah, I've got some other things to do throughout the day as well. So I'm going to take you with me on this day's vlog, yeah, and you guys come and see what I'm doing for the day. So stay tuned guys, and I will catch up with you in a short while. Alright guys, I am in Jack's Hall now. I'm gonna stop at the Starbucks. You know the new Starbucks where the new KFC is? Yeah, I've not actually been to the Starbucks before, and I believe it's a drive-through as well. Yeah. Starbucks. So the Starbucks, the new Starbucks in Jack's Hall, right where the Pizza Hut and KFC is. Yeah. Alright, so I just got a hot chocolate, very simple, and just a croissant, nothing fancy. Let me show you. And just a croissant. Yeah. Uno. Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give. Alright guys, I made it. Yeah, I'm in Brownstown. In the town centre. Yeah, so I'm gonna call Outlaw now, find out exactly where he is, see if he's made it up to the pigs them yet, or if he's like in the town centre. Remember, he still doesn't know that I'm here. So yeah, let me show you guys. Yeah, so I'm in Brownstown now. The drive was fine, you know, the road is not the best, but you know, we just have to work with it. But yes, Brownstown. Guys, here he is. He hasn't even seen me yet. He's at the shop, but he's not seen me yet, guys. Guys, look. He's over there and he hasn't seen me. I'm gonna park up. He's over there, but he's not seen me yet. I can see him looking. People, I can see him looking. Guys, he's just seen me. He's just seen me. Can you see him? Guys, can you see him? Can you see him, guys? Look, guys. Look. Say hello. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Are you surprised? So, guys, I think I got him good. Do it for the vlog. What have you got to say to the people? People? Come, you got to drive because I don't want to go up that bad road. I was hoping to catch you here, you know. People, I was glad I caught him here because I don't want to go up the bad road, so I'm glad I caught him here. People, what you got to say to the people? They knew all about this.
Surprise. Sometimes it's not good for me.
Is it a good time? Is it?
Yes.
So hold on, is it a good surprise right now?
Yeah, man, that not good for me at all.
Why?
No, sorry, that one a bad man.
Why?
Bad man.
What?
I'm not going to Steve and said, oh my God, that's Jesus. Hey, people, that's how you go.
I'm going to climb over into the passenger seat now.
Climb over, keep on driving.
Yeah,
maybe she fully surprised in this hour. Yeah, man, straight surprise.
And the perfect was timing, guys. The timing was perfect.
Perfect. Because I was part of the bus a while ago with the children over the church, where them gone to them music lesson. Step out back, talk to my brother for a few minutes. He said, John, I want a taxi now, Steve. I talk to my brother. I said, Steve, let me get a taxi. He said, no, they them gone on, you know. I turn around and look down the road. After this car down the road, I said, Steven, look for Kara. You see your Kara, brother? Normal, you know. She's not normal, people. She's not normal. Man is emperor still. It's all good. No cup, no butt, no coffee, no dash. It's good.
So this is the second one, guys. The second pig. 11 piglets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11. Right, guys, so it's a good thing I came up here because there's a few things that we had to get. So we had to get what do you call this?
Screwworm.
Alright, so what's the screwworm do? So this is what we bought. This
screwworm. It's that thing now where kill insect from the animals.
Right.
So it's true that the pig them just born now. You know, say them navel, them very fragile, especially them navel. Yeah. You can't take up any little thing on the navel. Yeah. And the fly catch that just at the end of that. So when you have this at hand right away, at least the good thing you see, you make a touch. Okay. Alright, you don't have to see nothing to touch it. You cannot touch them. Yeah. Yeah, because the fly not go around it. Not at all. No insect not go around them thing when them see this. Okay. Yes, so you have to keep this right at hand. Yeah. Because them fragile right now. And you bought a different type of feeding this week. What did you buy? Yes. Alright, this is another feed now to make the mother produce more milk. Right. Yeah. So that feed name, them call it chow chow, but it name sour. Sour. Yeah. Okay, but so they call it chow chow. Okay. Yeah, but everybody does such. You know what Jamaica way? Yeah. The food thing are chow chow. Yeah. Yeah, but it name sour. And that helps to produce more milk in the mothers. Yes. So you have to produce more milk. Yeah. So the little one them get more milk. Yeah. And you feed the mothers. Just the mothers this until you wean until wean the little one. Okay. Yeah. So you just keep on giving them this feeding until you wean them. So sour or chow chow. Yes. The same thing. Hey everyone. So I've left Brownstown. I'm back in Ochi now. Actually, you see Outlaw's reaction. He didn't know. Like he was like lost. Like what are you doing here? I'm in Ochi. I've just left Progressive. Guys, there's a lot of traffic. I'm going into Big Ben now. I'm doing my weekly shop. So when I get everything I'm going to show you what I buy for the week, what keeps us for the week, and how much it costs. So I think I've done like a wholesale shop with you guys before where you usually go to Sampas, we shop for the month, but it's a little bit different now.
because like I said, Outlaw's busy, so it's just me. So I shop for the week. So when I get in, I'm going to show you what I buy for the week and how much it costs. So just give you I guess an updated idea of shopping for 3 people, family of 3. Yes. So we've got I've got garlic, I've got two pound of yam, I've got 1 ripe plantain, I've got some scallion and thyme, half a dozen lime. I think this is like half a pound of peas or something. Well, peas, red peas. 3 pound of Irish potato. I've got 3 cucumbers. I've got some carrot. I've got some apples. I've got pineapple. I've got papaya, carrots, sweet pepper, some tomatoes, cabbage, lettuce, 5 pound of rice. I've got some what's this? Washing powder for clothes, fabric softener, washing up liquids, bleach, some black garbage bags. So I've got tissue, hand towel, I've got a little bit of cheese. This is my sweet treat, guys, dark chocolate. This is the only treat I get. Guys, I've stopped eating patty. I haven't had any patties since the beginning of the year. And if you know me well, you know I love my patties. I've stopped eating potato chips and crisps, all the things all the little sweet treats, I've stopped that. But this is my little treat for the week. I've got some yogurts, 3 yogurts, little powder seasonings. I've got some coffee, 3-in-1s for Outlaw, and these little ones are for me. I've got some Tang, coconut milk, coconut powder, tin coconut milk. This is tin of sweet corn. What's this? Oh, tin of baked bean. I've got some mayonnaise, vinegar, 2 tin of tuna, noodles. I've got 3 pack of crackers. I've got some saltfish, 2 bag of oil, and then I've got franks, chicken franks. I've got 1 pound of turkey neck. This is not the smoked turkey neck. That's like $900 and odd. This is just a plain one. I tried it last week in the stew peas for the first time. I usually use a smoked one, but this was nice, isn't it? I've got, what's this? 5 pound of mixed parts. 5 pound of mixed chicken parts. And then, guys, I really like these. These are fish cuts. I've never had them until I came to Jamaica, but they're nice. And I got 4 pound of fish cuts. Now, to be honest, we're not going to eat all of this week, when all the fish cuts. We're not going to eat all of the chicken. So I'll say this is maybe a week and a half, especially with the rice. We won't eat all that rice. We won't eat all the chicken. We won't eat all the fish. So maybe a week and a half's worth of things. And then also, let me just show you something. I've got 3 bottles of water. We don't buy the bottled water off the shelf. We go to the water refill. They sanitize the bottles and they refill the water with purified water. It's like $100 to fill up one of these, rather than paying like the $400 or $500 for the bottle every time. You just go to the refill place, they refill it. So this is our grocery shop for the week. This is like what I do every week. Yeah. Of course, there are some things that are not on there that we don't need. Yeah, so all of this came to about 20,000 Jamaican dollars. 20,000 Jamaican dollars with the water, all of this. And like I said, this is probably more than a week's worth, to be fair. Especially with the rice, we won't go for all that rice. All the meat and the fish, we won't go for all of that. So probably a week and a half's worth of stuff for $20,000. Not too bad, right? Given the current climate. Yeah. Alright guys, so I'm going to end out the vlog. Outlaw's on his way home. I think he's still in shock that I drove all the way to Brownstown and met him up there. Yeah, so yeah. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog, and please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please watch 30 seconds of the ads. And until next time, dat me say.